Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We are so happy to see you here today. I am Anna. How are you feeling today? I hope you are feeling wonderful. Today, the weather is very nice. It is a sunny day and the sun is shining. It is a perfect day to learn English.
Hello, Anna. Hello, friends. I am Tom. I'm very happy today, too. I feel very positive. The weather is beautiful, and I am excited to talk to all of you. Learning English is a journey, and we are going to take small steps together. It is a beautiful day to be in the kitchen.
Yes, Tom, today we are in the kitchen. The kitchen is a very important place in the house. It is the place where we make food. It is the place where we eat. I love the kitchen because it smells good and it feels warm. Do you like your kitchen, Tom?
I love my kitchen, Anna. My kitchen is small, but it is very clean. I have a big window in my kitchen. I can see the trees and the birds while I cook. Cooking makes me feel relaxed. It is like a hobby for me. Do you like cooking, Anna?
I love cooking too. It is very fun. But before we start cooking our dinner today, we have a small message for our friends. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Subscribing helps us a lot. It helps us make more videos for you.
That is right, Anna. Please hit the subscribe button, and please give us a like. If you like this video, more people can find us. We love reading your comments too. Tell us in the comments, do you like to cook or do you prefer to eat? We want to know.
Okay, let us start. Imagine we are in the kitchen. It is 7 p.m. It is time for dinner. Dinner is the meal we eat in the evening. We are going to make a simple dinner. A simple dinner is easy to make and very delicious.
I am hungry already, Anna. Let us look at the kitchen. First, we need tools. In English, we call these tools utensils. Kitchen utensils are very important. The first thing I see is the stove. The stove is where we make the food hot.
Yes, the stove is very important. On the stove, we have the burners. We turn on the stove and it becomes hot. We must be very careful with the stove. It is hot. Hot means high temperature. We also have the oven. The oven is under the stove. We use the oven to bake bread or chicken.
I use the oven for pizza too, but for a simple dinner, we use a pan. A pan is flat. We use the pan to fry things. For example, we fry eggs in a pan. We also have a pot. A pot is deep. We use a pot to boil water or to make soup.
That is correct, Tom. Pan and pot. Repeat with me, friends. Pan, pot. These are basic words. Now we need something to cut our food. We need a knife. A knife is a sharp tool. We use a knife to cut vegetables. A knife is made of metal.
Be careful with the knife, Anna. It is very sharp. Sharp means it cuts very easily. We also need a cutting board. The cutting board is the flat piece of wood or plastic. We put the vegetables on the cutting board and then we use the knife.
I always use a cutting board. It protects the table. I also use a spoon. A spoon is for soup or for mixing, and I use a spatula. A spatula is a flat tool. We use the spatula to turn the food in the pan. It is very useful.
Spatula is a funny word. I like it. Spatula. Let us say it again. Spatula. Now we have our utensils. We have a pan, we have a pot, we have a knife and a cutting board, we have a spoon and a spatula. Now we need the food.
Where is the food, Tom? The food is in the refrigerator. We also call it the fridge. The fridge is very cold. Cold is the opposite of hot. We put the food in the fridge so the food stays fresh. Let us open the fridge together.
I'm opening the fridge now. It is very cold inside. I see many things. I see some eggs. Eggs are white and round. I see some butter. Butter is yellow. I see some milk. Milk is white and we drink it. What else do you see, Anna?
I see many vegetables. Vegetables are very healthy. Healthy means they are good for your body. I see some carrots. Carrots are orange. I see an onion. The onion is white or purple. And I see some garlic. Garlic is small and white. Garlic gives a lot of flavor to the food.
I love garlic. It smells so good when we cook it. I also see some chicken. Chicken is meat. Meat is a good source of protein. We are going to use the chicken and the vegetables for our simple dinner. This is going to be a very good meal.
I agree, Tom. We have the chicken, we have the carrots, we have the onion and the garlic. This is perfect. Now we need to prepare the food. This is the next step. First, we must wash the vegetables. We go to the sink. The sink is where the water comes out.
Washing is very important. We use water to clean the vegetables. We wash the carrots, we wash the onion, we wash our hands too. Always wash your hands before you touch the food. Clean hands are very important for health.
Now the vegetables are clean. Now we use the knife. We are going to peel the carrots. To peel means to take the skin off. We can use a peeler or a knife. I like using a peeler. It is very easy. Now the carrots are orange and clean.
Now we cut. We use the knife and the cutting board. We cut the carrots into small pieces. Small pieces are easy to eat. We cut the onion too. Oh no, Anna. When I cut the onion, I feel like crying. My eyes are a little bit wet.
That is normal, Tom. Many people cry when they cut an onion. It is because the onion has a strong gas. Just breathe through your mouth. Now we cut the chicken. We cut the chicken into small cubes. 1 cube, 2 cubes, 3 cubes.
The chicken is ready, the vegetables are ready, the onion is ready. Everything is on the cutting board. Now we are ready to go to the stove. I am feeling very happy because the kitchen smells like fresh vegetables now.
Me too. Now let us take the pan. We put the pan on the stove. We turn on the heat. Now we need some oil. Oil is a liquid we use for cooking. We put a little bit of oil in the pan. The oil becomes hot. We can see the oil moving in the pan.
Now we put the onion and the garlic in the pan. Can you hear that sound, friends? Sss. That is the sound of frying. Frying is a very common way to cook. The onion becomes soft and the garlic smells amazing. I love this part of cooking.
Now we add the chicken. We use the spatula to move the chicken. We want the chicken to be brown. Brown means it is cooking well. We move the chicken again and again. It is very easy. This is a simple action. We call it stirring. To stir is to move the food.
Stirring is important so the food does not burn. If the food burns, it becomes black and it tastes bad. We do not want black food. We want delicious food. Now we add the carrots. The carrots bring a beautiful orange color to our pan.
It looks like a painting. Orange carrots, white onions, and brown chicken. Now we need flavor. We use salt. Salt is white and it is very important for taste. But don't use too much salt. Too much salt is not good for your heart.
And we use pepper. Pepper is black and it is a little bit spicy. Spicy means it has a strong kick. I like pepper. We also add some herbs. Herbs are green plants like parsley or oregano. Herbs make the food smell like a professional restaurant.
Our dinner is cooking slowly. Slow cooking is the best. The chicken is soft, the vegetables are tender. Tender means they are soft and easy to bite. Now we cover the pan with a lid. A lid is the top of the pan. We wait for 5 minutes.
While we wait, let us talk to our friends. Friends, how is your day going? Are you learning new words? We have used many words today. We have used stove, pan, pot, knife, fridge, and sink. We have used verbs like wash, peel, cut, fry, and stir.
These are great words for your daily life. You can use these words every time you are in the kitchen. If you are drinking water, you can say, I am in the kitchen. If you are eating an apple, you can say, I am eating. Practice is the key to speaking English fluently.
I agree, Anna. Practice every day, even for 5 minutes. Now, 5 minutes are over. I think the dinner is ready. I am going to turn off the stove. The heat is gone. Now the kitchen is quiet, but the smell is wonderful.
Now we must set the table. To set the table means to prepare the place where we eat. We need a plate. A plate is a round object for the food. We need a fork. A fork has 4 points. We need a knife for the table and a spoon.
We also need a napkin. A napkin is a piece of paper or cloth to clean our mouth. And a glass. A glass is for water or juice. I am putting the plates on the table. One plate for Anna and one plate for Tom. The table looks very nice.
Thank you, Tom. Now I use the big spoon to put the food on the plates. The food is very hot. Be careful, don't burn your tongue. It looks delicious. The chicken is perfect and the carrots are very sweet. This is a very good simple dinner.
Let us eat. It is very tasty. Tasty means it has a very good flavor. I am very happy with our dinner. Cooking at home is better than eating at a restaurant sometimes because you know all the ingredients. It's healthy and it's cheap.
You are right, Tom. It is very cheap. Cheap means it doesn't cost a lot of money. Now we are finished eating. Our bellies are full. Full means we don't want more food. But the work is not finished. Now we have the dirty dishes.
Oh, the dirty dishes. This is the part I don't like very much, but it is necessary. We have the plates, the forks, and the pan. They are dirty. We must wash them in the sink. We use water and soap. Soap makes bubbles and cleans the grease.
I can help you, Tom. I will wash the dishes and you can dry them. To dry means to take the water away with a towel. We use a kitchen towel. Now the plates are clean and shiny. Shiny means they look like new. The kitchen is clean again.
Thank you, Anna. We are a good team. A team is 2 or more people working together. We cooked dinner and we cleaned the kitchen. Now we can relax. Maybe we can drink a cup of tea and watch the stars. The moon is out now.
That sounds like a perfect plan. Thank you everyone for being with us in the kitchen today. We hope you enjoyed learning these kitchen words. Remember to practice. Go to your kitchen and name the objects in English. Say, this is a pan. This is a knife.
Yes, practice makes perfect. Thank you for your support. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We love having you here. Comment below, what is your favorite thing to cook for dinner?
We are excited to read your comments. Have a wonderful night and a wonderful day. Be kind to yourself and keep practicing. You are doing a great job learning English. We are very proud of you.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video. Happy cooking and happy learning. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, friends. See you soon.